Hi, Roger, and everyone with RJ Sweeting Law. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with Ringen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services. And whatever those may be. And the leads that your website bring you are going to be exclusive to you. So I typed in Sweeting Law. I found this from your Google My Business page, and obviously it's under construction. It says we'll be right back under construction. So not sure if you're working on a website now or what's going on, but either way, perfect time given the fact that you are working on your website to implement these strategies. So I actually do have another website here, Matthew R. Casel. I wanted to show you this as an example of a nice flowing website that is bringing this gentleman some money here. So three things we're going to talk about today when it comes to your website is content, citations, and backlinks. You don't have a website to go from, so we're going to use this one. Content is not just the words on your website. So Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more content you have, the more relevant you're going to appear, and the more visible Google's going to make you by providing value to the consumer. And so the minimum number of actual words you want on your website is 1,500 on any page you're trying to rank. 1,500 words minimum. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the pictures. Every picture, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so you want to make sure all your photos are saved with the correct content, and then you want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Those two things are very, very important when building out your website, and that's that for content for now. The next thing is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. I typed in Whitehall, Michigan attorneys. We got Sean Cook, Rodger Sweeting, Shepard Matthews. So you are in the second position. Which is good. But I don't think that you are going to be anywhere down here at all. So your website is actually not bringing you any value in the organic searches. You are in the second page, but obviously Muskegon is a bigger area. I'm sure that's, I would imagine, where you'd like to target. So I typed in Muskegon County lawyers. We got Matthew Casel, we got Brianna Scott, and we got Amanda Mitter. You're not here. This is where you want to be. This has to do with citations. So next, I have your Google My Business page pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. You do have address, hours, and phone. Once you get your website up and running, I would highly suggest adding it to your Google My Business page to help drive traffic to it from your Google My Business page. Also, the reviews. So five reviews with a 5.0 star is definitely something to be proud of. Keep up the good work. We recommend 25 minimum, so just keep pushing those reviews. And then the last thing is photos. So it looks like the only two photos that we have here are of the Google Drive-By. So you're going to want to go in when you get a chance, log into your Google My Business, add 10 photos. You're going to want to add 10 photos to your Google My Business page, and you're going to want to make sure that you save those photos with the correct content so that Google reads that correctly and brings you value and makes you visible and helps you rank. The last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your URL is at on the internet. So anywhere that sweetinglaw.com is at is going to give you a backlink. You actually have 80 backlinks from 7 referring domains. But if you notice, your domain rating is a 0 out of 100 and you have no keywords that you're ranking for. Obviously, your website's not running right now. So the thing to remember when getting your backlinks and obtaining them is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some you pay for, some you don't. But you want to make sure that every backlink you get is relevant to the trade and not spammy. So you want to get powerful backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs. Feel free to use it. I'm sure there's others out there. I did want to show you, though, I do have Casel and Associates, their website pulled up in Ahrefs, and they actually have less backlinks than you, but their domain rating's higher. So that just goes to show you that not all backlinks are created equal. They may have 33 less backlinks than you, but their domain rating's higher. So just remember, not all backlinks are created equal. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you are staying healthy out there in this crazy world in 2021. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and have a good rest of your week.